Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic that is enterprise structure. So in enterprise structure, I'm going to discuss about the how to define the enterprise structure in FI module. So in FI module, enterprise structure include define company, company code, business area, credit control area, assign company to company code. So before going to define these steps in SAP, I want to share the basic things in SAP screen. So go to the second slide. Yeah. So here you can see the above bar is known as menu bar and the second one is standard toolbar and the SAP easy access bar is known as title bar. So, in standard toolbar, suppose I want to create company. So for company, there is a T code OX15. If I enter the transaction code in the search box and enter, then we can directly come to the define company screen in the SAP. Okay. So in SAP Easy Access, this is known as title bar. So title bar is frequently changed as per the transaction code. And let's come to the below of SAP Easy Access. This is known as application bar. There is some function like let's go to the SAP screen. Suppose this one. Suppose I want to go to the OX15. This one. And here you can see there is some option in the application bar. Like here is the change and display, new entries, copy, delete, undo change, select all, unselect block, deselect all. So these all are comes under the application bar. And and the last one is status bar, which is shown in the below. Like you can see here the OX15 where is mentioned here. This one is known as status bar. Okay. Yeah. Let's come to second slide. This is the basic of SAP. The basic of SAP are transaction code, path, session manager. And about the transaction code and path, these two are is the important things or important part of SAP. Like if you want to customize or any new like I want to create company code. So for that I have to enter the transaction code or path. Then we can define that. So come to the session manager. /n and /o, these two are play a different role. Like suppose I am in OX15. Okay. This is display view internal trading partners overview. Now I'm in this screen. Suppose I want to back or I want to go to the SAP Easy Access screen, then I can directly enter here /n. Yeah, you can see I'm in SAP Easy Access screen. Suppose again I'm going to OX15 and I want to be here and as well as I want to in different transaction code screen. Like suppose I want to /o OX02. This is company code, transaction code. Yeah, you can see as well as this page also opened. So this is the function of /n and /o. Okay, let's come to the fourth slide. So what is SPRO? Do you know the full form of SPRO? Yes, SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. Like IMG means Implementation Guide. When somebody says SAP IMG or SAP SPRO, they usually mean the same thing. The main transaction for doing configuration of SAP ERP and S/4HANA software. IMG is a tool which is used in SAP to customize the SAP system to meet the organization requirement. So, what you will understand here, SAP IMG and SAP SPRO both are same meaning. Means if you anything like I want to uh, configure company or company codes, anything you want to configure, then you have to go through SPRO or IMG path. This is the same things. If someone asks what is the difference between SPRO and IMG, then you can simply this things. Then go to second slide. Yeah. So first step in enterprise structure is define company and the transaction code is OX15 and the path is like you can see SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So first of all, what is company? A company in SAP is represented by 6-character alphanumeric code and usually represents the enterprise or the group of company. A company can have one or more company code. The creation of company in SAP is optional. So, in SAP, we can define the company by 6 alphanumeric code, and it's usually like it's a group of companies. Suppose I'm taking an example here. Yeah, here you can see that my group of company is Tata 10, suppose, and these have the company code like Tata Steel, TCS, Tata Motors. So these are the company code. So company is nothing but is a group of company. Okay. And the creation of a company is SAP is optional because but the creation of company code is mandatory. Without company code, you can't implement anything. So yeah, so I hope you have some idea about company. Let's go to the SAP screen. Yes, here. Yeah. So suppose here I'm taking the company LSIS. LSIS Technology Private Limited. So here, uh, this one. So here you can put your own request ID. Like, so suppose you want to create new one, you can click here. And here you can give the as per your description. Like I'm giving FI, LSIS, FI configuration. Yeah. So one thing I forget to tell here. Let's come back to the SAP Easy Access. So here you can see you can display any T code here. Like you can see, suppose I'm going to accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, accounts. So here you can see there is no T code is display here. If you want to display the T code here, then go to the extras and the setting, click on display technical names, enter. Yeah. Now go to financial accounting, general ledger, accounts. Yeah. So here you can see the transaction code is display here. Okay. Yes. So we have completed one step. Like I have defined company here. Okay. Let's come to the second slide. This is company code. And also one thing is here, we can also define company through SPRO path. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Then here also you can define the company. Okay, here we can see our company LS, IS. Yes, this is our company. Okay, so go. Again, come back to the slide. Yeah, this one. So, a defined company code. What is company code? A company code in SAP is smallest organizational unit for which you can draw individual financial statement. Like financial statement means the balance sheet and profit and loss account for your external statutory reporting. It is denoted by 4-character alphanumeric code is mandatory. You need to have at least one company code defined in system for implementing SAP FI. Okay, now in this slide you can see Tata 10 is our group of our company and Tata Steel, TCS and Tata Motors. These are the company code means the smallest organizational unit, whatever I explained in the second slide. So, Tata Steel, TCS, Tata Motors, these are the smallest organizational unity for which you can draw individual financial statement. So, for company code, we have to maintain or we draw the financial statement for external statutory reporting. So, for reporting purpose, we have to define company code, and the company code is denoted 4-character alphanumeric code. Like we can define the company by 6 alphanumeric code, but in company code we define 4 alphanumeric code. Okay, so and like I told, company is defined company is not a mandatory steps. It was a optional steps, but the company code is mandatory steps because without company code we can't implement SAP FI's module. Okay, okay. Then go to the SAP. screen and give the transaction code OX02. Go to new entries. Here, suppose I'm taking LS50 and company name city Navi Mumbai IN. So after I enter this additional data, again we can see the address space. Like here we have to give the address of the company code. Company LSIS. I'm not giving any details address over here. Only I put the mandatory field. Okay. Then press enter. Again comes to the slide. Here, this is the business area. So first up, like define business area is the correspond to specific business segment of company or may cut across the different company code. For example, product line, business location. They can also represent different responsibility areas. For example, branch unity. The business area is optional in SAP. So business area is nothing but it's defined the branch of the company. Suppose I have the company Tata Group, like, and I have a company code TCS Tata Motors. Suppose I have a branch in Mumbai and another branch in Pune. So these two location-wise company we define in SAP as business area. So business area is normally used for reporting purpose. Okay, so let's go to the SAP screen and here and the decode is OX03. Okay, here I'm giving the decode OX03. So go to the new entries. Suppose I'm giving here LS. So it allow only 4 character. LSMU. So I'm giving your Mumbai business area. And another one, LSPU. Pune business area. Okay, so I have defined here 2 business area. One in Mumbai business area, another one is Pune business area. So again comes to the slide. This is credit control area. So normally credit control area in SAP helps administers credit management function relating to the customer. So normally it is used in SD module. So this organizational unit is used both in SD and FI AR modules. Okay. So by definition, you can have more than one credit control area in a client, but each company code is assigned to one credit control area. However, it is true that you can attach many company code to the same controlling area. So you can understand here each company code is assigned one credit control area, but many company code may be assigned to same credit control area. Okay, so go to the SAP screen and the T code is, what's the T code? OB45. So here, go to the new entries. Suppose here I'm giving LS 50 is my credit control area. Currency is INR and update. What about update? Let's click on F4. So here some updates are here. What is the exactly meaning of the update here? Update means with this data, the system update the credit limits of customer. For example, to update the credit limits at order delivery or billing documents. And we can select any option as per the request of the company. So here we can take any one of these as per our business, as per our company requirement. So suppose here I am taking first option. Okay. And here also we can take the this is fiscal year variant. Like here I have to give you the V3. So for now we are not define anything, any fiscal year. So no need to put anything here. Let this field blank. And what about the risk category? The risk category, here we have to differently we have to define the risk category. This is the another function. So I will not explain this field details because these are not required in FI module. These are the included in SD module. So here I only, and yeah, one option is here. Like let's just tell in briefly. Risk category is we need to define the risk category of different nature and assign them to the credit. Okay. So risk category we have to define differently and assign to the credit control area. Okay. And one option is here you can see in organizational data all company code. If you select all company code checkbox, the credit control area is applicable for company code. Okay. So no need to put anything here. Just click on save. Save. Then go back. Comes to the next slide. Assign company code to company. So with this step is mandatory. We are define company and company code. But if we are not build any link between company and company code, then how can we post? So for that, we need to define the, here we have to assign company with company code OX16. Go to position, give our company code LS50, correct? And our company name is LSIS, this one, correct? Then click on save. So here in this step, we assign our company code with company, so that when you post any transaction, post if you're not assign the company code with company, then when you post any transaction, that time we face the issue. So this is the mandatory steps. Okay, yeah, that's all. So thank you. Bye bye.